Good day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a church application because I received a request saying bro please a church application, so I'm going to teach you. So if you also have an application you want me to create for you, so you can drop it in the comment section. I'll make sure I explain how to create it for you. So guys, now let's dive into this church application. Firstly, I don't need all this section again, so I can just remove them. So let me just remove all this section.
I can tell it from the eyes I'm looking. I got plenty of my money, so you leave me. I'm down on it, just by me. Cause nobody did for me. Thank God for life He gave me. All times I feel so lonely. I want that man is slowly. I cannot feel my body.
So guys, first thing I have to do here is to change the menu type. So I have to make my app look more beautiful. So let me just change the menu type. The menu type is sliding menu type right now. So now let me change to a table menu. So you can change the current image like this. You can change it if you want. So I like this type of that the title of the section will be under it. So I've changed the menu type of my application now. So now let's go to this top bar icon as well. So we are creating a church application. In this church application there will be a lot of church there. So user can search for their church. So I've already talked about this section, searching icon. So I've already talked about it on my previous tutorial, so you can watch it there. I've activated this section like this, as you can see. So let me click on save. So let's go back to this section. Now let's create a new section for a church. For a church application. So firstly you have to look for a church website. Maybe there are so many churches like CAC, Redeem, Dove, etc. So let me just look for maybe like Redeem or Dove TV. So I have to copy the link. Oh, I think the connection is bad. Okay, so let me just copy the link here. As you can see, this is the link. So I'll just copy the link. Okay, so I've copied the link. So now let's go back to the app creator 24 and paste the link inside our app creator 24. First thing we do is to create a new section. The section will be a web section. So you have to put the section title, the name of the church you are pasting the link right now. So CAC TV. I'm pasting it. I'm pasting CAC link. Oh no, I made a mistake. Dove rather, Dove TV. So now, so advanced setting, all this one you are used to all this one, so I don't need to explain this. In this one you just have to put this include section for searching. In the search option, so leave it there so people can search for this TV. So let me choose the image. Let me just choose one image like this. So let's click on save. Okay, let's create another section for another church. So that one also will be a web section as well. So let's look for maybe like Redeem um TV as well. So there's so many churches, you can look for their link. Okay, so this is Redeem TV. So I have to copy their link. So let's just wait for it to load. Okay, this is their link. Let me just copy their link and go to my app creator 24 and paste the link here, and the section title as the Redeem TV as well. So people can search for this Redeem TV as well. When user type Redeem, so this TV will pop up. So okay, the advanced setting is also similar. So you can choose the option, the picture, the gallery picture. You can choose from browser. So that's it. So now let's go to our application. Let's see how this work. Maybe it work perfectly fine as we wanted or not. Okay, so guys, this is the two section in our application now. So let's see how it work. Let's click on the Dove TV first. So guys, as you can see, the app is working perfectly. This is the Dove TV in our application now, and it's working as if this is actually we, as you can see. So guys, just try this. So let's check the Redeem TV as well. Let's see if it work. This is the Redeem TV as well, so it's also working perfectly fine. So guys, you can create as much as you want, so you can have many TV in your application. So once a user can look for a specified TV he or she is looking for, So by clicking on the search section up here, let me show you. If you can still remember, on the top bar icon I activate some icon, so I also activate the search icon for the section as well. So that's why this is up here. So if a user click on this and want to search for a specified TV, if the TV is truly on your application, the TV will be displaying on the screen. So that's what this is useful for. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, comment and share. You can also comment what you thought we should talk about on our next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.